Have you ever wondered how complex children's board books, pop-up books, and interactive window books are made with such perfect precision? Welcome to Kylin Machines. Today, we are taking you inside the fascinating world of automated print finishing. Over the next 7 minutes, we are going to walk you through the complete operation of our state-of-the-art automatic board book gluing and assembly machine. If you are a printer or publisher looking to drastically increase your output, lower labor costs, and achieve flawless quality on heavy cardboard books, you are in the right place. Let's dive right into the production line. Our journey begins at the front of the machine with the automatic feeder system. Here you can see stacks of pre-sorted, highly vibrant children's cardboard pages, waiting to be processed. What makes this feeder system exceptional is its versatility. It doesn't just handle standard flat boards. It is perfectly calibrated to handle specialty pages, including thick cardboard with pre-cut windows and intricate die cuts used in pop-up books. Friction feed and suction mechanisms ensure that every single page is pulled smoothly, one by one, without any jamming, double feeding, or scratching of your beautifully printed graphics. Once the cardboard is fed into the system, it travels directly into the heart of the machine, the precision gluing station. For children's books, safety and durability are paramount. That is why this system utilizes high-quality, eco-friendly white latex glue. The glue is pumped smoothly into the reservoir, ensuring a consistent and even coat across the rollers. Whether your product requires full-surface gluing for a standard thick board book or complex partial gluing for an interactive pop-up book, this machine adapts instantly to your manufacturing requirements. But how do we achieve that perfect mess-free partial glue application? Let's take a closer look. Here is the engineering secret that sets Kylin Machines apart. Look closely at the main gluing roller. Attached to the cylinder is specially designed, custom-cut PVC cotton. The shape of this PVC cotton is tailored exactly to the design of the specific book you are printing. As the main roller completes one full rotation, it perfectly synchronizes with the cardboard passing underneath. The glue is applied only where the PVC cotton touches the board. This means if you have a die-cut window or a pop-up mechanism, the machine leaves those areas completely clean and glue-free. It's brilliant, highly efficient, and guarantees zero glue seepage on your premium products. After the precise application of the white latex, the pages continue down the conveyor to the collation stage. Forget the days of manual sorting based on the exact specifications. Programmed into the machine's smart control panel, the system automatically counts and gathers the designed number of pages to form a complete book block. The alignment here is flawless, edges are squared up perfectly to ensure that when the book is finally pressed, there is no shifting or unevenness. The speed of this collection process allows for high-yield, continuous production, shifting your manufacturing into high gear. Now that the book is fully assembled, it needs to be permanently bonded. The gathered pages are automatically conveyed into our heavy-duty pneumatic pressure equipment with a powerful, even and controlled burst of air pressure. The machine clamps down on the book. This critical step forces the white latex glue deep into the pores of the cardboard, eliminating any air bubbles and creating an indestructible bond. Because the pressure is pneumatically controlled, it applies the exact same force to every single book, guaranteeing uniform thickness and commercial grade durability that can withstand the wear and tear of young readers. Finally, the fully assembled, tightly bonded board books exit the automated assembly line. Here, a single operator conducts the final quality control check. Thanks to the automation of the entire process, your labor costs are drastically reduced. What used to take a whole team of workers now requires just one machine operator and one quality inspector. The books are perfectly aligned, the pop-up windows are clean, and the bond is incredibly strong, ready for packaging and shipping. If you want to revolutionize your printing business, increase your profit margins, and deliver flawless children's board books and pop-up books to your clients, Kylin Machines is your trusted partner. Don't wait to upgrade your production line. Contact us today via WhatsApp, email, or visit our website to get a custom quote on this machine. All contact details are on the screen and in the description below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more manufacturing innovations from Kylin Machines.